welcome to the Raffles Long Bar. It was built in 1881 or 87. It used to be a hotel for 10, and now it's a popular place to come and get yourself a Singapore Sling. Yeah, so 1887 is when this was built, and it was just a 10-room hotel. A bit of history. Oh, there, I tell you about it, and then it's on the wall right here. So it says that it has a relaxed attitude at this bar, and to prove that, you're allowed to sweep your peanut shells onto the floor. It's interesting. Thank you. Oh, quite a bit. It's bad.
Give me a broom. What do you put back?
So you're allowed to put the nuts. So you're allowed to put the nuts on the floor. It's a sign of their relaxed attitude, but I don't reckon I could do it. Don't anyone put your nuts on the floor.
My nuts is on the floor. Someone puts on a shoe.
It's a decent sized pool table, isn't it? Very nice. Raffles Bar has an upstairs, a downstairs, and outside. They must be running out of space because they keep their peanuts on the stairs. Like, seriously.
Table out.
So Raffles, Singapore Sling, see if theirs is the best. It's definitely got alcohol in it. That's alright. Yeah, it's not bad. So the floor gets covered in peanuts. And the way they cleaned up, they get an elephant to come in here and he vacuums them all up. It's a true story. Due to the easygoing nature of Raffles Long Bar, you can throw your nuts on the floor. But unfortunately, Shane believes you can throw your nuts all over me.
I'm sharing my nuts with this guy.
You're such an ass.
I got his nuts on my boot.
So Michelle and I are civilised, everyone else are filthy pigs. Because our nuts
Are we going to go downstairs or not?
Our nuts are still on the table,
Some chips or something downstairs?
whereas the others, they've just put their nuts all over the floor. And I know that oh, you... Seriously.
You've been nutted.
Utter... Oh, you... Yep. Wankers.
You got a long bar.
They're assholes. Sorry. No, it doesn't seem right. They just made an absolute mess. I know it's meant to be, but it's not right. Yeah, thanks for letting me film it. I'll put it on my little YouTube channel later. See you later. See you, mate. Thank you. Do you know what? That was good fun. If you come to Singapore, you should come and do the long bar because it's actually really good fun. You'll enjoy doing it. You can put your nuts on the floor. No, not those nuts, but you can put your nuts on the floor. Anyway, it's good fun. These people are about to find out how much fun that is. In a few minutes' time, you'll enjoy it. We're still at the long bar, but we've come downstairs and outside. It's so they've got an outside section where we get to sit down. It's actually quite nice. It's a bloody big area. That's pretty good. So upstairs you don't get to have anything to eat except peanuts, but down here they got a food menu. So there's a food menu as well downstairs. So I've been told. And we're going to have something to eat. Maybe another drink. Definitely another drink. Wow. Alright, I'll take you for a bit of a look. See what we can find. Because it looks alright. Even out here they got a bag of peanuts. I don't think you can throw your peanuts down on the ground outside though. That was kind of good fun inside, having a drink at the long bar. So far the best Singapore Sling has been at the long bar. At least they got like outdoor bowls. No bowls today, but nevertheless, have a look. So everyone talks about, you know, on their YouTube channels and so forth that they've been to Raffles.
Stop, let him go through.
Yeah, so they've talked about Raffles, but Raffles also, and I've not seen it on anyone else's, has actually got a gift shop where you can go buy a glass and other things as well. So we're on our way, not to the Rolex store, but we're on our way to the Raffles gift shop, see what we can find. Particularly, we would like to buy one of those glasses. It's a really big hotel, actually. A lot bigger than you would think. But this little fella back here, let's go have a look at him. All of this because of this man. Cheers. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye-bye. Yep, no worries. Have a good night. See ya. Well, that was good fun. And you never know. If you ever come here, don't just go to the long bar. Come outside to the Courtyard bar, because Courtyard had food. We had a couple of drinks. It's a big area. It was definitely worth coming to. And on your way of leaving, you can go past and get yourself a nice watch, cheap one too. My budget on YouTube does not give me enough money to get myself a Rolex, and it certainly probably never will. But yeah, I mean a Rolex in there is 48,000 just by the way, and that's Singapore dollars. And it's not the cheapest one, there is cheaper, but I did like the cheap one. I got classy taste. Anyways, alright, let's go. We're off to go do something that I can't film, and it's not an adult thing. We're off to go do an escape room. It's about a 4-minute walk from here. Wait. Go, Michelle, go! No, wait! Bloody idiots. Ugh. Now I know Michelle had an incident in the toilet. So let's just go find out what we can happen. And it wasn't dodgy. How'd the toilet go, Michelle?
Funny as fuck.
Was it?
Oh my god.
What was the problem?
Nearly caused my hair.
What, the toilet door was locked?
So she tried to open it with a
I would have thought when a door is locked on a toilet it means someone's in there.
We looked underneath. 10 minutes.
You looked underneath a toilet door which was locked.
Correct. Yes.
To unlock it.
Correct.
Okay. Might have had a bit too much to drink, Michelle?
Hand clips though.
Bobby pins don't work.
What are you two idiots doing?
No.
Unbelievable.
Near a Macca's.
What?
It's on the front near a Macca's.
Oh God, is your dad doing navigating again? Shane's a navigator. That's hilarious.
I think it's on that side.
Yeah, look at this. Dude's got a microphone. He's the tour guide. All right. Hang on, we should join the tour. You want to join the tour? All right, let's go. Ah. Looks like a good tour, but we're not going. And the gentleman in front of me, he's a nice man. He's a nice man, but we'll keep our distance. Not mentioning the COVIDs, but I reckon he's got the sniffles a little bit too much for Scotty's liking, or Scoot's liking. Yep, let's go around him. Look at that. G'day, mate. How the hell did we get so far behind? We're stuck behind the old man, Mr. Sniffles. It's like, what are those books? There was Mr. Men books. So Mr. Sniffles from the Mr. Men book. I don't think there was a Mr. Sniffles, but there should have been. Mr. Sniffles! That would have been funny. Whoop, April's waiting for me. See, that's a daughter who loves her dad. She waits as she runs off. Yep, definitely safety first. The reason I say that, here we are, we got a yellow line to keep you safe. One per foot. So, each foot keeps you safe. Lucky's found a gap or jumped over the fence to get in. This man's going for the safety first too. Oops. Whew, what a walk. Yep, welcome to Singapore. Busy, fun, and completely lost. Wow. Whoops, sorry. They're very busy. Yep. My mistake, giving way. Lovely. Ni hao. That's it. Lovely. Gotcha. Yep. Tomorrow. I'm going to go through there eventually. Alright, my turn. Thank you. Yeah. Wow. Busy, busy, busy. So many people. Okay. Whoop. Nice. Alright. Absolutely lost them, but that's okay. Busy as buggery back there. Whoop. Back this way now. Rightio. They have no... They don't know where they're going. That's the best answer.
Straight.
Was it?
Yeah, but it was here.
We went straight or we went left? So many people. Busy, busy, busy.
It used to be here.
Did it? No.
And then we walked to the Macca's on the corner.
No.
Yes.
That
100%.
hustle and bustle. Jolie B. Ah, here we go. Yeah, I would have thought it was down here, but I'm not here to make a decision. Yay, Shane found it. Looks like it's in the same place as where it used to be. Ah. Anyway, we did our escape room. We didn't escape. It was crap. Anyway, off we go again through the traffic of hell. Again, people everywhere. So I've been to Singapore a few times, but I would say I've never known it to be so busy. That's because all us tourists keep turning up here. It's super busy. Anyway, people everywhere. So we're going back to Raffles for another drink. Hi.
Taste it, please.
Okay. Oh, that literally is soda. Ah. Which way?
You can go down there or you can go through the shops.
I'm not sure how you say it. Bugis Street Markets. But the whole area around it is super busy. That's okay. Okay. Follow Michelle. Himalayas or Himalayas Mall or something? Mall?
How much alcohol was in those drinks?
Not enough alcohol was in those drinks. Oh, by the way, I got myself Tiger beer. I have no idea.
I don't know much. You staying back on a holiday?
Yep. So I was planning to extend my holiday by having a bev. Basketball, Star of the Future. No. Ah. Selfie stick. Liverpool. Whoa, 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 where are we going? Welcome home, Scotty.
Is that where you're from?
Nah.
So why you were at me then?
Nah. Not from Liverpool. I know where it is. I'm not from there. Whoop. You wouldn't believe it, but I'm actually from Shrewsbury. Okay, where are we? Bugis Cube is where we are. Bugis Cube.
We need redemption.
I'm saying straight down here.
You want to go straight?
Yep.
Straight? Shane's not straight. He didn't get it. He didn't get the joke. So we're actually going back to Raffles for another drink. We enjoyed Raffles so much, so we'll go back for another drink. Or it could be because one of us has left their bag there. And if you look, I've got shoulder straps, so I didn't leave my bag there. So it's not me. Just saying.
Can we just go?
No, mate.
Why not?
There's an ambulance there. Let the ambulance go first.
Yeah, it's been there for 5 minutes.
I would have let the ambulance go.